Hello, guys. Welcome back to our channel. And today, I want to share with you how you can apply for jobs using the Job Bank Canada website. I've had so many people asking me whether they need to create an account or not. How do I apply for jobs? And so today, I want to take my time and walk you through step by step how you can apply for jobs. Um, it is okay for you to create an account. However, you don't need an account to apply for a job using the Job Bank Canada website. If you are interested in learning how to create a free Job Bank account, um, I have a video that is available on this channel, and I will encourage you to go and watch that to see how you can create a free account. But today, let's dive right into it and show you how you can apply for jobs using Job Bank Canada. Okay, and how you can also find LMIA jobs and what have you, right? So just go to Google, type in Job Bank Canada, right? And what you are looking for is you are looking for what we call temporary foreign workers. Okay, the job bank that is specifically for temporary foreign workers, all right? And just go ahead, click on it, just wait for it to load. And guys, so you do click on search. All right, here's the option for you to create an account or sign in if you already have an account, but we don't need that today. And yeah, just click on search the job postings. Okay. All right, so we said these. All right. Let me go back and show you guys something real quick right here. See? So you right. So I said find a new job in Canada. Search jobs from Canadian employers who want to recruit temporary foreign workers. These employers have already obtained or applied for a labor market impact assessment. So what a labor market impact assessment is, or LMIA is simply a document that the employer takes to the government and prove or advocate that, hey, I have this job opening that I don't have anyone within Canada, so can you guys approve so I can hire someone from outside Canada? So that is what you need to be looking out for. Yeah, so that's what you need to be looking out for. Um, because if you're applying for a job and the company organization is not able to hire someone from outside, um, there's no point in applying for that job. Okay, so just come to search for job postings, click on it, and for those of you that are asking, yeah, I can do anything, I can do everything. Yeah, here's something that you need to take note, right? So you need to make sure that your CV, you match it to the requirements of the job, right? So if you're looking for a cleaner job, I would encourage you to come to this website, type in whatever it is, farm worker, cleaner, and look through 10, 20, 30, even 100 of jobs, and then just pay attention to the the job descriptions or job requirement, right? So for example, it tells you, it says show job details. Okay, so you look at the various tasks, the various responsibilities and roles. Just look at 10, 20, 30, 50 different examples of the specific role that you're interested in, and use some of these key job requirements and tasks on your CV to increase your chances of being selected. Some will say, oh, I've applied to a couple of jobs and no one is. Yes, it takes time. It takes time. Know that you are not the only one that is interested in the job. You are not the only one that is applying for a job. There are so many other candidates who are equally qualified, right? So you need to keep applying and updating and enriching your CV. Don't make a mistake of using one generic CV to apply for. Some people they say they want to be a cleaner, they want to do construction work. They have a CV that is tailored to a cleaner, and they use that to apply for a construction job. If that happens, it's not going to work. So take your time, explore all the job requirements, and include that in your resume, because they have something they call ATS, right? And ATS is a kind of an AI program where they feed various applicants' resumes and CVs in that system. So if the job requirement, you don't have certain keywords reflecting on your CV, then you will not even have a chance of having a human review it, because they're having tens of thousands of applications, right? So the ATS, what it does is it takes out those CVs that do not meet the requirement, and then the ones that do meet the requirement, it is forwarded to a human for review, right? So just do that, and then pay attention to the job requirement, right? So once you're on the Job Bank Canada website, like I said, you don't need to create a website. You need to scroll all the way down, right, and take a look at the left side and say LMIA pending, LMIA approved, right? You would want to select the ones that says LMIA approved, LMIA approved. The reason being that if it's pending, it means that the employer is still negotiating with the government. But if you are looking for something that is readily available and the labor market impact assessment is ready, then look for the one that it says approved. Because if you have your job offer and then you have the LMIA approval, you can use that to apply for your work permit. Okay. So guys, you click on LMIA approved, and then let's try and do an example. Okay. So let's say we are looking for cleaner. So I type in cleaner. It doesn't matter where the location is. I'm looking for the one that says LMIA approved, right? So I'm going to search, click on the search button. I can do this on your phone. You can do this on your laptop. Okay. So you see now it brought it down to 376 results. So when you open it, you are looking out for three things. Let me show you. You click on it, go ahead, click on it, look for when the job information, um, how many vacancies, the job bank number. You need that to include that on the cover letter. Said this employer has applied. So you look at this information. So with this, the LMIA is still pending. That's why it is highlighted as yellow or orange. The one that is green, that is the one that shows that the LMIA has been approved, right? And you have to go down and look for what kind of people can apply for this job. So with this job, it only says that people that are Canadian citizens, a permanent residents, or anyone that has a valid Canadian permit. So that means you will not be able to apply for this one, right? The other thing you need to look out for is show how to apply. It's going to tell you, you click on it, it's going to tell you how you have to apply. This one just send your cover letter and your resume, send it to this website, right? So guys, you just move on. Okay. So move on, go back and look for one that so I'm still going to filter by LMIA approved, and then it says only 35. Okay, so I go to the next one that says cleaner. I'm looking for the LMIA approval information. I'm looking for the intended applicants, and I'm looking for how I can apply. Right, so this one has an LMIA approval. So let's see if I'm outside Canada, can I apply? Unfortunately, no. Now, if you are not authorized to work in Canada, do not apply. The employer will not respond to your application. So probably you are just sending your application to some of these types of jobs and no one is going to mind you. Right. So just go move on to the next one. Let's move on to the next one. Oh, hotel cleaner. Right. Let's move on to the next one. It was posted on July 26th. Okay. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, the LMI is approved, which people can apply. Let's see. All right. So it said other candidates with or without a valid Canadian permit. Other candidates with or without a valid Canadian permit. So you have to try your chance on this, because not only candidates who are within Canada or those that have Canadian citizenship, but if you are outside, Canada and you have or you don't have a Canadian work permit, you can apply. Show how to apply. It tells you just send your email, your cover letter, and your CV. Send it to the email, right? And this job is available until November 20th, 2023. All right. So that those are the things you are looking for. Look for the LMI approval information. Look for people that can apply, and look for how and when can you apply. So let's say we want to search a different one. So I clear the filters. I clear the filter. Uh, sorry, I go back and I clear the filter. Right. So um, yeah, looking. I don't need a location. Okay. Um, yeah, so I'm going to look for, let's say, personal, personal care attendant, right? Personal care attendant. I'm going to hit on search and I go down. Oh, there are four, right? So I can decide to filter by the LMI status or I can just leave it at it. So this one is only one that has is pending and three of them are approved. Okay, so let's look at the ones that are approved. So these type of jobs, um, only for those that are nurses and whatnot, they can apply. Oh, okay, home care. So I click on it. Let's see who can apply. Get $18 per hour. Can work 44 weeks. LMI approved. See the job details. All right. What do you need? You don't need no degree, nothing. So this is the responsibilities. However, this one you cannot apply if you are outside Canada. You don't have a work permit. So just skip. Let's go to the second option. Let's go to the second option. Personal care, Hamilton, Ontario, LMI approved. Show job details. All right. Okay. Unfortunately for this one, cannot apply because you have to have a valid Canadian permit. So let's try the last option and see if this is something that if you are outside, you can apply for. So here you go. Let's see. Let's see. LMI approved. Fortunately, all of these ones. Let's see the one that said pending. The one that was pending. So I'm going to clear this one, and I'm going to have the four results. Let's see. So this one is what I did not check. LMI is pending. See, LMI is pending. Unfortunately, so all these ones you cannot apply if you are outside Canada or you don't have a work permit, right? So that's how you go about it, guys. Can do one more example. I'm gonna clear. Let's say you want to be a farm worker, right? Just go ahead and type farm worker, okay? And don't forget the trick that I showed you when it comes to um, using your CV, right? LMI approved. Look at the job descriptions and then use that to make your resume farm worker harvesting. Can we see? Let's see. Let's see. Okay, LMI approved. Job details. All right. All right. You have your responsibilities and whatnot. All right. So this one says other candidates with or without a valid Canadian permit. Okay. So once you see that, just go ahead and look at show how to apply. This is available until November 26th. Okay. And this is where you're going to send your cover letter and your resume. All right. And some of you may be wondering, how do I get access to a list of all LMIA approved organizations or um, jobs? Come to Google, type in LMIA list, job bank of jobs, job Canada, or do LMIA list, job list Canada. All right. There's It's going to take you to a website. Um, it's going to take you to a website. I'm looking for that website. I don't need this. LMIA LMIA employer list. All right, I think that's what I was looking for. Employer list, Canada. Because I want to go to the official website, right? So it said Open Government Canada, right? So you click on it, and it's going to give you a data set of all the jobs and all the employers. Okay, guys. So you're going to scroll down. They have from 27. No, we need the one that is current for 2023. I'm going to go all the way down, all the way down, 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 down. All right. So the most current list is for quarter two, right? For quarter two. So from between April and June. And this is the English data set, this is the French data set, right? And I want to have access to it. So I'm going to click on it and I'm going to download. I'm going to download. Let's download. And let me show you guys something very, very interesting here. Okay. So once you download it, you can have access, right? Okay. So you just save. Just go ahead and save, and you save it. So then you come back and open it. Right. So let's open it and let's see. Let's see what is inside. Let's see what is inside this amazing list, guys. It is loading. It is loading. Oh yeah, right here it's already open. So I'm gonna I'm gonna open it up. I'm gonna show you some. So if you say, "Oh, I got a job," somebody send me an email. You want to double check to see whether this is legit or not. Okay. So um, it's opening. All right, guys. So here's the list. Right. I hope you can see it on your screen. It's a very long list. Very long list. Right. Shows you the province that is in, the program stream, the name of the employer, the address, the occupation, um, the approved LMIAs, and the number of positions. Okay, so you can go through this, and let's say prominent transportation. Look at where it is. They have one LMI approved. Let's go to their website and see, the job that is available, guys. So that is it. This is how you look for LMIA jobs and how you apply for it. Just go to Job Bank Canada, follow the instructions that I gave. If after watching this video you still have questions, use the comment section below. Let's get interactive, and I'm happy to assist as I can, if I have the time. Okay, so guys, that's it. Let me know what questions you have, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. All right. To come your way again next time. Stay blessed.